To check your transaction history on your Google account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through your account settings to find the information you need. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with the transactions you want to check. Step 2. Access Google Payment Center. Once signed in, navigate to the Google Payment Center by clicking on the Payments and Subscriptions option in the left sidebar. This will take you to a page where you can manage your payment methods and view transaction history. Step 3. View transaction history. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Filter transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options available. You can filter by date range, transaction type, or specific services to find the information you need more easily. Step 5. Download or print your history. If you need a copy of your transaction history, look for an option to download or print the information. This is usually available in the form of a CSV or PDF file, which you can save for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on your Google account. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you keep track of your spending and manage your finances more effectively.